Have a radiant and cheerful good afternoon to everyone present here, including our honorable director, sir, esteemed teachers, and my wonderful and caring brothers and sisters. Today, I stand before you to talk about something that shapes our destiny, the unmatched power of hard work. Let me tell you why I strongly believe that hard work is the real game changer. Intelligence is a gift, but hard work is a skill you build. Think of intelligence as a spark, but it needs effort to turn into a flame. Hard work, on the other hand, is a fuel that keeps that flame alive no matter how strong the wind blows. You have heard of MS Dhoni. He didn't come from a cricketing family or have access to top facilities. He worked tirelessly, balancing jobs, traveling long distances, and practicing day and night. His story proves that it's not where you start, but how hard you work that determines where you end up. Think about Thomas Edison, the man who invented the light bulb. Do you know how many times he failed? Over 1,000 times. When asked about it, he famously said, I didn't fail. I just found 1,000 ways that won't work. His hustle mindset proves that intelligence alone cannot achieve breakthroughs. That it's the hard work that turns ideas into reality. Intelligence can help you come up with ideas faster or understand things more quickly. But what happens if you stop there? Intelligence without action is like having a car without fuel. It goes nowhere. On the other hand, hard work is something anyone can develop. It doesn't depend on your background, your resources, or even your talent. It depends on your dedication. When you put in effort, you build skills, grow stronger, and overcome challenges that intelligence alone cannot. Let me ask you, what's more inspiring? Someone who is naturally talented but doesn't try, or someone who puts in the effort, who works every hard to improve? For me, it's the hard work. It's the hard worker, because they prove that success is not about being born great. It's about becoming great through efforts. Even in this digital age where technology seems to do everything for us, hard work is what separates the dreamers from the achievers. Elon Musk worked over 80 hours a week to build companies like Tesla and SpaceX. He didn't just rely on his intelligence, he, he put in the grind. Remember this, intelligence might start the journey, but hard work will take you to the finish line. It's the one thing you can always rely on. Life is not designed to be easy. It will test you, stretch you, and sometimes feels like it's breaking you. In conclusion, hard work doesn't take from you, it builds you and brings you closer to success. But because we live in a world that celebrates shortcuts, everyone wants results yesterday. But if you want to be remembered, if you want to stand out, then you need to embrace the hustles. That's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, myself, Sonakshi Sinha, present here to deliver a short speech to paramount the importance of hard work in achieving success. Imagine that you have a brilliant idea, a masterpiece waiting to be created. Without hard work, it will just remain a fleeting thought. Imagine you aspire to climb the highest mountain. Reaching the summit requires not just only an initial burst of energy, but dedication and strength pulling. Imagine that you want to build a lovely and strong family. It demands daily dedication and aspiration. Success in any field is not destination. Success in any field is not destination, it is a journey. Think of a successful individual, an athlete, an scientist, artist, or an entrepreneur. If you meet them and ask about them, their historical story, there will be a long thread of hard work in their story. They will say that where I am today, it is a play, and there is a hard role of hard work. You might have heard the name of Michael Jordan. He is often said to be gifted by his prodigious health. You know, his longtime coach wrote him that what you are today is the role of your hard work. When he entered his first league, his headshot was not good enough, but he tried for his off season, taking hundreds of headshots and doing hundreds of headshots until it was perfect. Without hard work, there is no no invention, no breakthrough, and no accomplishment. Imagine that if Thomas Alva Edison had stopped working after his first failure, we might not have the bulb today. Lastly, let me tell you that successful people in every field is often said to be lucky, but the reality is that they work harder than every average person does. In conclusion, no need for you to be as great as Albert Einstein and Mahatma Gandhi, but work hard. So let's cherish all for the great peoples, not for their happiness but for their hard work. That's all. Thank you.